Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork, and I'm an attorney in Scottsdale, Arizona. And on this channel, I talk about issues surrounding car accident cases. And if you've been involved in a car accident case, the information on this channel should be able to help you, or anybody else you know who's been involved in a car accident here in Arizona. Today, I'm going to talk about an important issue when you're involved in a car accident. And about a day or two after the accident, the insurance company for the driver who hit you is going to send you, or probably call you and ask you if they can send you a hipaa form to fill out so that they can get your medical records. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should not sign that form. First of all, if you don't know what hipaa is, it's the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It was written back into law in 1996, I think it was, and basically, as we know it here in real language or whatever, it's privacy. Your health information is private. And so in order for somebody to see your health information, you have to release it to them. And so that's why these hipaa forms are out there. You've probably seen it around in the public. But anyway, so when you're involved in a car accident case, the insurance company is going to send you one of those forms so they can go to your doctors and ask for your medical records. You don't want to give them that form. You don't want them to go, get your medical records, because the first reason is that they're going to get medical records that are completely unrelated to the accident. If you've been, for whatever condition you've been into the hospital for, or to your doctor or whoever, they can get those records if you've released the information to them. Now, there's some forms where they limit some of the information they can get, but for the most part, you don't know what the insurance company is looking for when you sign over your hipaa release to them. So don't sign a hipaa release for the fact that you don't know what healthcare information that they're going to see. The second reason is that you don't want them looking for information about your health condition that's related to your case, to your accident. A lot of times they're going to be looking for what's called pre-existing conditions. And what that basically means is that if you have the same body part that was injured before, that's injured in the car accident case, they're going to use that against you. And essentially, they're going to basically say that your body part was already injured before the car accident, or it was made worse because you had the car accident, something like that. And so you don't want to give the insurance company carte blanche to go through all your medical history to find out what might be related to this car accident. So that's the second reason you don't want to give them the information, the insurance information. And then finally, like I said, it's kind of like they're going to go to a lot of irrelevant stuff, and they're also going to go back quite a bit. And so the medical record information that they're looking for will probably be 3 to 5 years before the accident, and that will have nothing to do with the present accident and your injuries on the present accident. So you do not give them a hipaa release to do that. And that goes back to what I said earlier in another video, and maybe I'll put in this card here, is that you don't give a statement to the insurance company, because they're going to use that against you whenever you later in the litigation, they'll say basically you contradict yourself in the statement. And I also talked about this when I said when you should hire a lawyer early in the case, so that the insurance company doesn't deal with you directly and get you to sign over a hipaa release and get all your medical bills and everything, and then they go back to the the medical providers and try to reduce those bills. I talked about that in this video. I think that's one of the biggest reasons why you need to hire counsel early in a case, so that that doesn't happen. And I did mention before also that you will have to sign, just like you have to give a statement to your own insurance company, you'll have to sign a release to your own insurance company for healthcare information also, because as I mentioned before in that video, it was basically when you're an insured from the insurance company, when you're there insured, basically you have a duty to cooperate with them under your policy agreements. So you would have to sign the HIPAA, you would have to give a statement to your own insurance company when you're involved in a car accident. And then finally, I'll just tell you, like I said, I gave you the reasons why you shouldn't why you shouldn't sign a HIPAA release, but also understand that when your case is over, when you're back to 100%, when you're recovered, you're going to have a chance to gather the medical bills yourself. Your lawyer is going to do that, and your lawyer is going to kind of present your medical bills to the insurance company in the best light. And so again, that's what your lawyers will do, not the other insurance company. Don't let them get your medical bills. Your lawyer will get your medical bills and give them to them later in what's called a demand letter. So anyways, hope that information helps. If you know anybody who's been involved in a car accident, or if you're dealing with one right now, hopefully that information will help you. In the next video, you can take a look at the video I have about, again, why you should hire a lawyer early in the case, because you don't want the insurance companies dealing with you directly and negotiating your medical bills directly. That's one of the biggest reasons, but I'll put that in the next video here. So anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.